What's up, base campers? Chase here with another helpful little tip for you. This is best piece of equipment to take to the mountains for under 20 bucks. So my best piece of equipment to take to the mountains for under $20 has got to be a buff or a scarf of any kind. Buff is the brand. I'm not paid for them, paid by them to say this. It's just I really like them. They're really useful, primarily as a health device. You know, it kind of sounds weird, but mountain air is very cold and very dry. And when you breathe in a lot of cold, dry air, it tends to irritate your throat and the larynx. And when that gets irritated, you tend to cough. So why this is really useful, apart from keeping my long ass hair out of my face and also looking totally gangster when I want to, is also, as you have it over your mouth, it traps a certain amount of the air that you breathe out. So it's moisturizing the air and preventing that dry air getting in your throat, and it also filters out a lot of the dust, which is typically on trails that are very popular, like Everest Base Camp, Annapurna Circuit, Kilimanjaro, tend to be pretty dusty. So lubricating the air, warming the air, and filtering out the dust is 3 really good reasons for you to get one of these for under $20. So in the Khumbu area in particular, there's something called the Khumbu cough, and this can start by having that irritation in the throat. So it's dry air, cool air, and it starts to irritate you, then you get a little like a start of a cough. Pretty soon, as you ascend in altitude and it gets colder and drier, that gets even more irritated and you start coughing even more frequently, and the cough continues to get worse as you start to trek or climb even further, and it's really just the start of the end of your trip. So that can be prevented by just getting something as simple as this. That's my number 1 piece of equipment for under 20 bucks to head to the mountains with. Get one of these and start using it in your training. So when you're doing your hikes at home, wear it, because it can be a little uncomfortable, and if you're getting used to that in your training, it's going to be one less stress when you're in the mountains. There's 1,000 other things in particular to do with health in the Himalayas or in the mountains in general that I'd love to cover that I can't in this video, but we've got more content coming out soon. So subscribe, like the video if you think it helps, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Train hard, climb high, have fun in the mountains. Peace.